Brava Roof Tile is proud to offer the most authentic composite cedar shake roof shingles. Brava Cedar Shake is an environmentally friendly composite roofing material. Our Cedar Shake comes in 5, 7, and 12-inch widths for ease of installation in a natural look. Cedar Shake tiles feature a varied thickness and the stunning split texture of natural wood. Our products feature a 50-year limited warranty, which is double the life expectancy of most Cedar Shake roofs. Available in any color or custom color combination. Brava roof tiles feature a Class 4 impact rating, the highest in the industry. Products are available in Class A and Class C fire rating. Find out how to receive a sample of your next roof. Visit us online at bravaRoofTile.com or call us at 844-290-4196.